Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a healthy laddu recipe made with alvi seeds or halim seeds or garden cress seeds, also known as sali vidai in Tamil. These seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and are great for iron deficiency, irregular periods and for promoting healthy hair and skin. Check the description for more health benefits. Let's get started. These small but mighty seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits, and adding them to your diet can significantly improve your overall well-being. Halim seeds can be added to various recipes like ladoos, smoothies, salads and soups, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Soak quarter cup of halim seeds in 1 cup of water. As they absorb water quickly, you can add more water if needed. Altogether, I have used about 1.5 cup of water and soaked the seeds for 2 to 3 hours. After soaking, they will have a jelly-like consistency. Heat a pan and add a handful of almonds and cashew nuts. Roast them well. After a few minutes, add a handful of pistachios and continue roasting until all the nuts are well roasted. Set them aside and allow them to cool completely. Once cooled, grind the nuts along with the cardamom part until they form a slightly coarse powder. Next, in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and roast 1 cup of grated coconut until it turns slightly golden brown. Since I did not have enough fresh coconut, I will be adding desiccated coconut later. You can use either fresh grated coconut or desiccated coconut or dry coconut for this recipe. I am mixing both, so feel free to choose whichever you prefer. Now add the soaked halim seeds and mix them well with the coconut. Then add quarter cup to half cup of jaggery powder depending on your desired sweetness. Mix everything well and continue to cook until the jaggery melts. Make sure to add a little ghee at regular intervals as it enhances both the aroma and texture of the laddu. I am adding desiccated coconut here, but if you have already used 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, you can skip this step. Continue cooking and you will notice the mixture thickening. Now add the powdered nuts and mix thoroughly until everything comes together. Once well mixed, switch off the stove and let the mixture cool completely. After it cools, save the mixture into small lime-sized laddus. They will be slightly soft. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Your healthy halim seeds laddu are ready. It is recommended to have 1 laddu daily for the best results. One more thing, since these seeds produce heat in the body, it is ideal to consume during colder weather or in a smaller quantities during the summer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you.